Welcome back, my amazing seniors. This is day 28 of our 60-day senior fitness series, helping you stay strong, balanced, and mobile. If you're new here, don't worry, you can still join us right now. Exercise 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. For this first exercise, I want you to grab your sturdy chair and place it on a completely flat surface. Make sure it does not wobble. Stand right in front of the chair with your feet placed shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest lifted. Cross your arms gently in front of your chest and get ready to move with me step by step. This exercise strengthens your legs, improves balance, and helps you stay independent in daily life. All right, let us begin our 50 repetitions together. Move at a steady and comfortable pace. Ready? Let us start. 1, 2, 3, keep your back straight. 4, 5. Great rhythm. 6, 7, 8. You are doing well. 9, 10. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13. Stay steady. 14, 15. Wonderful. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Do not stop now. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How are you feeling so far? 26, 27, 28. Keep going. 29, 30. Stay strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, almost there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, final push. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, great control. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work completing all 50 repetitions. That was a powerful effort. and your legs are becoming stronger every single day. This movement may look simple, but it builds real strength that supports your daily life. Be proud of yourself for showing up and completing this entire set with me. Exercise 2, seated leg extensions. Now let us move on to our second exercise. Please stay seated on the same sturdy chair. Sit tall with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands resting gently on the sides of the chair for support. This movement strengthens your knees, improves your leg control, and supports better balance when walking or climbing stairs. Extend one leg forward, hold it for a second, then bring it back down slowly and switch to the other leg. We will do a total of 50 repetitions together, 25 per leg. All right, let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your posture tall. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wonderful effort. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing great. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Feel that gentle work in your knees. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep moving. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Final stretch. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing job! You have just completed 50 seated leg extensions. Remember, every time you lift your leg, you are making your knees stronger and your balance better. How are you feeling so far? From which country are you watching today? I love seeing our global senior family moving together. Keep up your consistency and your legs will thank you for it every single day. Exercise 3, standing side leg raises. Now it is time for our third exercise. Please stand up carefully and move behind your sturdy chair. Hold the backrest lightly for balance and support. Keep your posture tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your core gently engaged. We are going to lift one leg to the side, then bring it back down slowly, and then switch to the other leg. This movement strengthens your outer thighs and hips, helping you stay steady while walking or standing. It also improves flexibility and balance, which are so important as we stay active every day. All right, let us begin our count together. Stay with me and move at your own comfortable pace. 1, 2, 3, good control. 4, 5, feel that stretch in your hips. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, great job. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, wonderful effort. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, halfway to 40, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, keep breathing. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, steady and smooth. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, you are doing fantastic. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, final push. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent work. You have now completed all 50 standing side leg raises. You should feel your hips and thighs more active and engaged. Remember, this movement keeps your legs strong and your balance sharp. Do not forget to share this video with 5 of your senior friends. They will thank you later. Let me know in the comments how your body feels after finishing this exercise today. Comment below that you completed day 28 and tell me where you're watching from. I'll see you tomorrow for day 29. Same time, same energy. Stay active, stay young.